Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the next project. I went down to Tokyo and picked this one up. This one came in with a no power. That's all they told me that was wrong with it. It looks pretty clean. The engine was pretty shiny. I'm gonna throw this battery in, crank it over and see what happens. You got a little battery in there. Let me see, I'm gonna throw the key on there. Let's see what happens. They're saying there's no power. The stop switch is not really all clicking. So let's go ahead and get that replaced. I opened up and just touch those wires and see what happens. Okay, got that opened up. One of the bolts were broken off. Looks like someone siliconed it. The other one in there. The switch itself seems like it's working. It does do some clicking, and the gauges outside is lighting up, which is good. But let's throw the key on there and see what happens. So after I throw the key on there, I do get power now, and it is cranking over. Let's see what happens. Ticking going on also. No power situation, ended up being just that little rubber grommet for the stop start switch. I was able to get it to turn over, but the no compression in cylinder 1, 70 in the second one, and 60 in the last one. So I ended up deciding to go ahead and rebuild this engine. So as you can see, there's going to be more videos coming out for this thing. And for the gauges, I'll be rebuilding that gauge cluster also. Here you can see there's tons of corrosion even on the inside of the cylinder. So it looks like this jet ski must have been flipped over and then turned over. Probably popped the rings or something. I'm gonna tear into it more and see what happens. There's a lot of saltwater corrosion, even though there shouldn't be any salt water on it at all, because this motor is a closed loop system, so it's radiator fluid that's going through the motor. So that must have been all just from being flipped. Here I got it almost out of the jet ski completely, pulled the heads off. Turns out that the piston rings are popped. Also the carbon seal wouldn't come off, the little clip on there, so I removed the front bracket to get that motor out of there. And finally got it out. This is the next day now. It rained a ton, so I ended up taking out all the water from the inside of the ski also. But yeah, this motor should be getting back together here. Gonna send it off to the machine shop, bore it over, and make it better, I guess. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.